How to stop people tagging you on Facebook. Please like and subscribe to my channel Frank Media TV and press the bell notification icon to get new video updates. Without wasting any time, let's dive straight into the video. Now go to your profile account and click Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Click on Privacy. Click on Profile and Tagging. Now change who can post on your profile to only me. Now go to Reviewing section. Switch on Review Posts you're in before the post appears on your profile. Switch on Tags people add to your posts before the tags appear on Facebook. Setup completed. Whenever anyone tagged you, it will now be subjected to a review by you to either approve or decline. Now no more unauthorized tagging posts showing up on your Space and Facebook timeline. Please like and subscribe to my channel Frank Media TV and press the bell notification icon to get new video updates.